Okay, observe here. We have seen the cat command usage, how to create the files and how to move and copy also we have seen. So if you want to create multiple empty files, so we have a command called touch. So by using this we can create multiple empty files. Multiple empty files, for example add.c. So by giving space we can create sub.java, some C program file or any another text file, reg space some text file. So multiple empty files we can create. You can check. We have created add.c empty file. Next sub.java and rich.txt. So empty files, multiple empty files we can create. Okay. So we needed to execute every time and create the empty files. Not like this. Whenever needed, while doing some self scripting and all, we can make use of this. Okay. So we have many another commands also. While creating these empty files, we can redirect some content to these files also. Okay. That is while doing the scripting and all, I teach. Now, how to create the directories? Directories. So for directories creation, we have a command called mkdir. Mkdir, we can create the directories. For example, some D1. Here already we have created some directories. Mkdir, for example, Jishnu, a directory I wanted to create. So let me check the Jishnu has been created. Yeah, Jishnu has been created. A directory. So if you want to create multiple directories, directory means it's like a folder. mkdir, for example, ji1, ji2, ji3. By giving space, we can create multiple directories. See, ji1, ji2, ji3. We can create multiple directories, multiple folders. And now I wanted to create subfolders. Means some in the recursive structure, I wanted to create some parenting directories. Parent directories like mkdir space hyphen p hyphen p. So now you can say you can create the new parent directories. For example, I'm taking j1 slash under j1. I wanted to create j2 under j2 j3 under that j4 I want to create. So like that I can create. But if I list out only J1 I can see. Only J1 I can see. Whatever the files or the directories which we have in under J1, we cannot see here. But we have a command called tree. In the tree structured manner, that will list out the files and directories which are there in the current directory. You can see here. Observe. Already under DAR1 I have created previously. See, under J1 I have created J2, under that J3, under that J4. Is it okay? So we can create single directories, we can create multiple directories, we can create subdirectories also. Okay? This is the way of creating directories. So after creating directories and these files creation and all, in the files creation we have faced some problems. Yeah, by using cat command we are unable to go back, we are unable to edit it, and we are unable to uh, do some modifications whatever we wanted to. That's not possible in cat command. by using cat command. Now we have some more commands like VI editor, Vim editor, and Pico editor, Nano editor. So many hundreds of editors are there. So whatever the editor you are familiar with, you can go with that. Now the VI editor I am teaching you. By using VI editor also, we can edit the files, we can modify the files, we can create the new files by using this. Here I am creating some c1.txt, a file I am creating. See here, by default it is in escape mode, means we cannot insert the data. If you want to insert the data, just we have to press I. So after pressing it, we can insert the data. Hi, this is a file, some content we are typing. Okay. After inserting, if you want to go up, you can go up, and if you want to change the edit the content, you can edit whatever the line wherever you want it to move, you can. So here it is in insert mode. We can insert the data. So if you want to save this content, we have to press escape button. Escape. Then this insert will disappear. I'm pressing escape. Okay. After pressing escape, I need to use shift colon. Shift colon. At the bottom, that colon will appear. W for writing or saving. Q for fitting. Means we will fit out from this editor. Press enter. See, is it okay? So just you check it whether the file c1.txt created or not. Yeah, c1.txt is there. If you want to display the content with the cat command, you can check c1.txt. Yeah, that content is here. You can check it. So this is the way we can edit the file. We can create the file. If you want to open the existed file, for example, previously we have used apple.txt. The content is here. If you want to edit, press I. Yeah, press I. If you want to remove these empty lines, you can remove. So whatever the changes just you wanted to do, you can do. Then press here, press escape. Shift colon W for saving. If you press W, then press enter. The content will be saved, but you will be remain in the editor itself. Okay. So you will be in the editor. Again, shift colon. If you want to quit, you can quit out. So without saving, if you quit out, the content won't be saved. So already I have saved with W. If you want to make use this Q and go back, you can go. Again, if you want to open, just I don't want to do any changes. Shift colon. Sometimes this quitting may not happen normally. So such times we have to use exclamatory for forceful quitting. Forceful quitting. If it is making any disturbance or showing any errors, the time forceful quitting we have to do. Exclamatory, that is for forceful quitting. Can quit out. And if you want to make use of 3 at a time, WQ exclamatory, you can do it now. Forceful saving, quitting. Okay. So this is the usage of VA editor. And again, here in the VA editor, we are in the escape mode only. Shift colon. If you want to set the line numbers to this, set space and U. It will give the line numbers to your content. You can see. Yeah. will give the line numbers. While doing the program, some programming concepts, it's better to use these line numbers. Then we can easily do the program wherever the errors are there. So just we can move by using this set a new option that is in the VI editor. But these line numbers won't be saved in the file. Just this is a temporary line numbers just for our identification purpose. Okay. Then escape, shift colon. If you want to save simply W, Q. These line numbers won't be saved. Whatever the content we modified, that will be saved. Okay. Jishnu, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Understood that mkdir?
Yes, sir.
Then VI editor,
And it, sir?
VI editor.
No, sir. అంటే అర్థం కాలేదు.
Now I have given VI command.
Oh,
Seen that?
no, sir.
Create
MKDIR అంటే కొత్త డైరెక్టరీ తీయడానికి అర్థమైంది సార్.
create చేయడానికి VI editor
No, sir.
చూడట్లేదా?
చూస్తున్నాను సార్.
So VI editor to create a file. Okay.
సార్ దానికి డైరెక్టరీలో ఒక ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి.
Yeah, if you want that directory changing also, I will teach you how to change the directory and all. So it is also a directory. We are in a directory. So by using VI editor, we can
డైరెక్టరీ like
actually by using cat command we can create the files. Here the editing is not possible. That's why we are going with VI editor. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You are using, I think you are using Nano.
Yes, sir. Nano ఎక్కువ
Nano, or for example, some g1.txt and give it. It is Nano. Here also we can type the content whatever we want. So see, here the options are there. Write out. How to write out? Simply Control O.
Okay, sir.
So here it will
Control O.
ask, yeah, you know already. So g1.txt. So is it the file name? With this, shall I save? That's what it is asking. Okay. So simply, yeah, that lines will be saved. If you want to quit out, Control X. Simply modifying, editing, whatever you want. If you want to edit again, you can edit. Control O again. That will this for saving. That will be saved. Then Control X for quit out. If you want to check again with the say cat command, you can check. Okay. So these are the editors we are having. Then along with that, we are having VI editor also. For example, some e1.txt is my file.
Yes, sir.
If you want to and insert the content, I have to press I. So now I can insert the content. Okay. So if you want to save, you have to press escape, shift colon, W for saving, Q for quitting, enter.
Okay,
Let
sir.
you check e1.txt. Content is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. These are the editors to create the files, to edit the files and all. So we have seen the file creation, we have seen the directory creation. Is it okay? File creation purpose, we are using cat command. We can use VI editor, we can use Nano editor, we can use Pico editor, we can use the many editors for file creation. For directory creation, which command you are using? mkdir. Yeah. So these are the ways to create the files and directories. Without knowing this file creation, directory creation, we cannot move ahead. Now, we have seen one important command, that is ls command uses. We have seen ls command uses. What the ls command will do? It will list out the files and directories in the current directory. Yeah.
directory.
You,
Sir,
you type in
sir,
your terminal also.
ఓకే పీసీలో ఉన్నవన్నీ వస్తాయి కదా సార్?
సో కరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీలో ఉన్నాయని వస్తాయి ప్రస్తుతం. అది నీకు చూపించాలా?
అర్థం కాదు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని పీసీలో ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ అన్ని వస్తాయి కదా డైరెక్టరీస్ తో పాటు?
మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫోల్డర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఉంచాం, ఆ ఫోల్డర్ లో వస్తాయి. we have pwd, present working directory. I am under the home, under that Red Hat. It is my folder. Under this, whatever the content is there, that only I am listing out.
pwd sir.
Yeah, present working directory.
నాకు హోమ్ లేదండి, యూజర్ లో ఉన్నానని చూపిస్తుంది ఇది.
Sometimes you are under user, no problem. You are under user. Okay, share your screen also.
సో నేను కుదరదండి సార్, యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి.
Multiple participants can share.
లేదు సార్, రావట్లేదు.
Now I have
టర్మినల్ లేగా. చెప్పండి సార్.
But that's not showing here.
కనబడట్లేదా?
Multiple participants can share. Okay, I am stopping.
ఇప్పుడు కనబడుతుందా సార్? చెప్పండి సార్.
Yes, you type the same commands. Directory creation, mkdir. Can you maximize the size?
అంతే అనుకుంటా.
It's maximizing. Again, increase it.
ఇంకానా?
3-4 times. Minus
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి.
What's the symbol? Max symbol and plus. Yeah, that's it. It's okay. Okay, now. Clear.
కొంచెం తగ్గిస్తున్నాను సార్.
Fine. Create the directories. mkdir space your directory name. Some dir. Just type dir. Yeah. Okay. You can type that also. ls. Yeah. Which is directory? Which are the files? Here we have
txt అనేవి టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్స్, cpp అనేవి కమాండ్ ఫైల్స్, dir అనేది డైరెక్టరీ.
Then type ls space space hyphen F, capital F. It will give the differences between the files and directories. You can easily identify. It can easily differentiate.
Okay, sir.
So we create multiple directories, mkdir space d1 space d2 space d3 space d2. Yeah, no problem. Okay, enter. Yeah, you got the multiple directories.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to create a subdirectories, command mkdir hyphen p, you have to use hyphen p.
Okay.
Mkdir command wrong. Don't press enter. Mkdir hyphen p space. Here we have to give the subdirectories. New directories. For
Okay, sir.
example, you use already don't give existed directories. For d1, sorry, yeah, d4 slash d3 slash d4 d4 d slash d5. Yeah, enter. So multiple you can list out ls. Yeah, d3. Yeah, here d3 is there. Top, right top. No. With the nano command, we can open the files, but here d3 is a directory.
Yes, sir.
D3 is a directory. We cannot list out. Press enter. Is a directory.
అది
It
కూడా
is
మెన్షన్
showing the
చేసింది.
error. Yeah, it is showing the error. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then if you want to know about that, info space D3. Not giving anything. Press Q. Yeah, it's not working. File info. We can say, so we can see it later. No problem. So, okay, now, so just you check with the tree command. Use tree command. Don't type like that. Commands name will be a single name always. I'll tell it later. I'll tell it. It won't work.
Okay.
So just you type tree command. TRE tree. Yeah, enter. So you are using ZSH.
ఎలా తెలిసింది సార్?
ls hyphen R, capital R. In the recursive structure, it will show you. If you come down, many another come down. Again, come down, scroll. Many files are there. What are the subdirectories we had? Yeah, see under you can go up.
పైకి అనమంటారా?
Yeah, we have to know D1 directory, about D1. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, you can see here D1, D2. Here, see, you have created under D3, you have created D4. Under D3, D4, you have D5. So here you can see the recursive structure where my directory is. But actually, we have a command that is tree command. tree command will work, but here it is not working. No problem. Just you can see here in my terminal.
ఓకే, మీ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నారా?
Yeah, I am sharing my screen.
ఒక నిమిషం నేను స్టాప్ చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు చేయండి.
Is it showing?
Yes, sir.
Here, if you type tree command, so it will list out clearly like this. It is also like ls-capital R command. Okay, same option. You can type ls-capital R. In the recursive structure, it will show you. Okay, under dir1, dir2, dir, under these two, I'm having d3, dir3. Like that, it will show us. Both the options are same. So in ls command, we have many options. ls space -l. It will give the long list of files and directories. 9 fields of information will be given. Then ls-a, hidden files also will be shown. Hidden files, for example, these dots, whatever the files which are starting with dot, these will be treated as hidden files. But normally with ls command, that won't list out hidden files. Okay. So for example, if you want to create the hidden files, you can create cat greater than dot some h1.txt. I'm creating h1.txt. So that will be started with the dot. Okay, I am typing enter. This is a secret file. Don't open it. Password some 456, some secret I'm keeping here like that. So it is a hidden file. If you list out with ls, that won't show you h1.txt. Is there any h1.txt? No. If you give ls-a, that will list out what are the hidden files I am having. So the hidden file, my .h1, where is yeah, here observing .h1.txt. Okay, if you start with h1 dot, that will be hidden. So hidden directory also we can create mkdir space dot some I'm giving s1.txt, some secret sorry, it's not a txt directory I'm creating. dir some 6, dir6 is a hidden directory I'm creating. Multiple hidden directories also you create dot dir some 7. Okay, if you list out, that won't show. This you type ls-a, that will list out the hidden files and directories. See the hidden directories, these two are the hidden directories. So previously hidden file we have created. Okay, so like that we can create hidden files, hidden directories, multiple files, multiple directories. And moreover, this ls command usage also we have seen. ls command usage, the options ls-l, long list of files and directories, ls-r, recursive structure of the files and directories. Then ls-a, it will list out the hidden files, all the files including hidden files. Next ls-s means it will list out the files and directories along with the size of the file. Then ls-sh means in the human readable format, that will list out. Human readable format means that that naming will be given. Okay, so this is the way we are having multiple options. If you want to differentiate the files also, we are having ls-f, yeah, small capital F, that is for differentiating the files and directories.
సార్ ఇలా కూడా అనుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్,
What?
లైక్ ఇలా కూడా అనుకోవచ్చు కదా, లైక్ .txt డాట్ ఫైల్స్ ఏ ఉంటే అవి ఆ, ఈ మా డాట్ ఫైల్స్ కాకుండా మిగతా డాట్ ఫైల్స్ డాట్ పైన డాట్ పక్కన ఉంటే అవి ఇది కాదు, లైక్ డైరెక్టరీ ఫైల్స్ కాదని.
Yeah, we can think, no problem. ఎందుకంటే ఇంకొక ఫెసిలిటీ మనకు ఉంది ఏంటంటే cat space without extension also we may give some file names. Some
Okay,
ff1 I am creating. Observe here.
ఓకే సార్.
See, ff1 I am not giving any extension. So it will be treated as a binary file. It is also a file. This is a file.
ఓకే.
Control Z. Just you type. So sometimes it is showing in colors, but in your system it is showing it all in a single color.
ఎస్ సార్.
You may think that it is ff1 also a directory. That time ls hyphen. If the systems they are differentiating with the colors, then no problem. Here
Okay,
for
sir.
my see this a dot out will be treated as a directory sometimes. So it is a executable file. We have block special characters also. We have block special character files. Okay, the files which are related to hard disk, the will be the extensions will be block special character files .blk, and the files which are related to printers and all character special files, not regular files, character special files which are, and we knows about the shortcuts in Windows operating system. Shortcuts here we will call them as links, linked file. There we will call them as shortcuts. So such type of files, if you want to differentiate, some are backup files, backup. So if you want to differentiate like that, you need these options. So we have many options. The real-time people will make use of ls command in a different way. Always they will use to filter the content. Okay, man space ls, many options are there, many. Okay, so to differentiate the directories, we have -d. Many options are there. Human readable format. Many options are there. See, here are in reverse order that will list out the content. Okay. Many commands are ls -r. The content will be in the reverse order, not in the reverse sorted, not in the regular sorted. Descending order. Many options are there. Okay. So practice this ls command also. Now we have one important concept, that is directory changing the directories. Listen to me carefully. So changing the directories with cd command, cd. So here, in order to teach you, I am giving some symbols. The symbols, yes, you go through. This is tilde symbol. Okay, tilde. We'll call it as tilde. Here we'll treat it as home, user's home directory.
సో ఆ సింబల్ నా దాంట్లో లేదు సార్.
Tilde symbol, you have backtips దగ్గర ఉండదు.
అది ఎక్కడ సార్?
backtips
అంటే
నీ కీబోర్డ్ నాకు ఫోటో తీసి పంపించు, నేను చూపిస్తాను.
పెడుతున్నాను.
users home directory. Okay,
పెట్టాను సార్ చూడండి.
Hmm.
ఉంది సార్, దొరికింది.
దొరికిందా?
ఎస్కేప్ కింద ఉంది.
ఎస్కేప్ కింద ఉంది. ఆ 2 సింబల్స్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇంకొక సింబల్ ఏంటంటే అది బ్యాక్ టిప్స్ అంటారు, నాట్ ఏ సింగిల్ కోడ్. అదే బటన్ మీద 2 సింబల్స్ ఉంటాయి.
ఓకే సార్.
సో tilde symbol, that is nothing but users home directory.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, users home, we treat it as. Next, we are having home directory. Then dot represents current directory. Current directory. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Double dot represents parent directory. Okay. Slash represents root directory. Slash represents root directory. So these are the options you have to remember.
Okay,
Symbols. Tilde symbol. Tilde represents what?
User home
home directory. Yeah. Dot represents current directory. Double dot represents parent directory.
directory.
Root directory represents with
Slash.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Now, so these are the shortcuts, means alternative paths we can use by using these symbols. Just you remember these symbols.
Yes,
See,
sir.
which symbol it is showing for me? Tilde symbol. Yeah.
Yes sir.
Tilde symbol means it's a home directory, that is user's home directory. I can
Okay,
check
sir.
pwd. What is my present working directory? Here my present working directory. Observe here, first slash represents root.
Yes sir.
First slash represents root. While talking about the file system, I told you slash represents root directory.
Yes sir.
So under that root, I'm having home. I'm having home.
Okay sir.
So here next, whatever the slashes we are getting, this is to represent the subdirectory subfolders. It is not the root.
Okay sir.
So initial ga use chese slash name మనం represent చేస్తాం. Initial ga use చేసే slash నే root directory అని కాల్ చేస్తాం. తర్వాత వచ్చేదంతా కూడా just to differentiate the subdirectories. Okay. So now it is the subfolder. Observe here. Now I am going to make use of the directories, change the directories. So here I am using ls. In order to change the directories, we have the two ways. One is absolute path, absolute path. Another one is relative path.
Okay sir.
Absolute path and relative path. Absolute path means we have to give the total names of the folders and all. Relative path means like by using the different symbols I have given you now. By using such shortcuts, we are going to change the directory. So two paths we'll use to change the directories. So now observe here, I wanted to move to dir1.
Yes, sir.
I wanted to move to dir1. See, cd space dir1. Now it will change the directory to dir1. Observe here,
Okay.
where I am under dir1. Type pwd, present working directory. What is my present working directory? I have to know. Hello user, you are under home. Under that, Red Hat is there. That is your user's
And
home directory. Under that, your dir1 is there. You
layer
are
one.
where? Yeah, you are here. So
Yes,
just
sir.
you type ls. That will list out the files and directories which are in the current directory.
Okay, sir.
What is my current directory? dir1.
One.
Yeah, under dir1, whatever the files and directories are there, that will list out. I have only dir2.
Okay, sir. Two.
So here I wanted to change to again dir2. Now type the command present pwd. You are under dir1. Under that you have dir2. You are there. Under dir2 you are there. What's my present working directory? Under dir2. Just list out whatever I'm having. Oh, here I am having dir3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. If you want to change the directory to dir3, cd space.
CDIR.
Yeah. Yeah.
CDDIR3.
Yeah. ls. Here also I am having dir4. Just you type.
CDDIR4.
Just you type pwd present working directory. Under dir3 I am there.
Yes, sir.
Here also I am having dir4. cd space dir4. Enter. Check the present working directory. Oh, I am under dir4.
What?
Yeah. So here just you type ls. Oh, nothing is there here. Yeah, nothing is
Yes,
there.
sir.
If you want to create a file here, create a file. Okay. By using some touch command, I am creating some empty files. a.txt space bb.txt, some cc.txt, some empty files I am creating. See. So if I
Okay.
give ls, that ls will list out the files and directories which are there in the current directory. If we give simple ls, for ls also we can give path. I will teach you. So simple ls that will list out. Now, sir, I wanted to go to my user's home directory. I wanted to go to my user's home directory right now. What should I do? We have two paths. One is absolute path, another one is relative path. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Absolute path means total path I wanted to give. PWD. Observe here. I wanted to move to where? Up to Red Hat. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Red Hat is my user's home directory. If I give the total name up to here, that is called absolute path. Here I am giving cd space slash home slash Red Hat. Yeah. I'm
Yes, sir.
changing the directory to my home directory. This is absolute path I am giving. Absolute path. I'm
Yes, sir.
pressing enter. Yes, you type pwd. Yeah. I came to my home directory, my user's home directory. Not an issue. Again, yes, you check. Let us move to again same dir, same dir1. Here I am having dir2. Change directory to dir2. Again change directory to dir3. Again to dir4. Sorry. Just you check it where I am. PWD. I'm under
Yes,
dir4.
sir.
I wanted to go to that home directory with the relative path. Relative path. So what is the symbol for relative path? cd space tilde. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
tilde symbol represents home directory, user's home directory. If I give cd space tilde, so I move to a home directory. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I wanted to change to that dir4 directly with a absolute path. dir2,
Okay, sir.
3, 4. We can give like this also. Now you check pwd. Have moved to dir4. Yeah, it's working. Now actually we have a facility uh, to move to home directory directly without giving this tilde symbol also. That is called cd. This is cd space tilde, then cd will perform the same operation. Okay. Now I am under dir4. I wanted to move to home directly. Check it. So that simple symbol cd also will move us to home directory directly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way of changing the directories by using absolute path, by using relative paths also.
Yes, sir.
Relative path. So now again I am moving to same dir4. Okay, I'm giving the absolute path. Absolute path. Just you check it. In the dir4 I'm having all these. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
My present working directory I am under dir4. Here some files are there. Now from here I wanted to move to dir3. Who is the parent of dir4?
dir3.
Yeah. What's the parent? How to? What is the symbol for parent directory?
Parent directory, sir.
Relative path. Tilde
Parent directory
represents
double dot.
dot. Yeah, double dot. cd space double dot.
Enter.
That will enter. pwd. Check it. So you are under d3. You move to parent directory. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? I wanted to move to dir1.
Okay,
Who
sir.
is the parent of this dir2? dir1.
dir1.
For this dir3, the parent is dir2.
2.
Now I wanted to move to here. I am under dir3. I wanted to move to dir1.
Okay, sir.
If I move cd space double dot, where it will go?
2,
To
sir.
dir2.
Instead of double dot, we need to use slash.
Yeah, slash. Not that slash. Slash double dot.
Okay.
Now it's okay. Here this double dot will move us to dir2. Again, if we give slash again double dot, that will move to its parent again. That is dir1. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just take it pw. We can do like this also. Then what's the use of dot? Single dot, that is for current directory.
Current directory, sir.
That is for copying and all, moving and all. While doing such operations, we can use dot. ఇక్కడ నేను cd dot use చేయడం వల్ల ఉపయోగం ఏమైనా ఉందా? ఏమీ లేదు కదా. అది that will move to current directory. కాపీ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి ఇవి అర్థమవుతుంది కొన్ని.
ఓకే, సార్.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక పాత్ నుంచి నేను కరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీ కాపీ చేయాలనుకున్నా. సో అప్పుడు కాపీ చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు సోర్స్ పాత్ ఇస్తాము. డెస్టినేషన్ ఏంటంటే నా కరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీ. Such time I will give dot symbol.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we have seen tilde symbol. We have seen dot symbol. We have seen double dot. Parent directories also. Yes. So if you
Okay,
want
sir.
to move to observe here, who is the parent of dir1? Red Hat.
Hmm.
Yeah, Red
Yes,
Hat.
sir.
If you want to move to Red Hat, we can use cd space double dot.
Double dot.
Otherwise, Red Hat is my home directory. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I can directly use cd.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I can directly use cd space tilde.
Yes, sir.
So cd, that's it. అంటే నేను ఫ్రంట్కి
Okay.
వెళ్ళిపోయినప్పుడు బ్యాక్ రావాలంటే ఇలా నేను యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. యా,
Okay, sir.
నేను ఫ్రంట్ నుంచి బ్యాక్ నుంచి స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి నేను ఫ్రంట్కి వెళ్ళాలనుకున్నప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ పాత్ నేను యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
Hmm.
Now I am under my home directory, my present working directory Red Hat, because I have given. నువ్వు ఎంత దూరం అయినా వెళ్ళిపో, నీ హోమ్ డైరెక్టరీ నువ్వు వెళ్ళాలనుకున్నప్పుడు cd is enough. Okay, so these are the symbols now we have seen. Now I wanted to move to that root directory. Root directory కి వెళ్ళి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? cd space slash enter. So see your present working directory slash represents
Yes.
root.
Root.
Yeah, just you type ls, you can see whatever the files or directories are there at the time of installation. After the installation, so all these will be appeared. See, in our Windows also we'll be having in our C drive, Windows folder is there, home folder is there, program files folder will be there, users folder will be there. Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Here in our Linux, after the installation, whatever the files are available here will be stored
Yes, sir.
by using path. We are under root directory. So again I came to root directory. Where is my home directory? I am getting confused. Actually,
Yes,
my
sir.
home directory, that is under home. Under that I am having my users home directory.
Yes, sir.
home home directory is different, users home directory is different. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so by default the users home directory will be created under home. But if you want to create your home directory under root while creating the user, we can create, no problem. For you, that is showing users and all, that's what you told. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Here, if you want to move to home home, you can move, no problem. ls, these are the users. Red Hat is my user, Linus, Jishnu. Yeah, if I am trying to enter into Linus, permission denied, because you are the Red Hat user, you are a normal regular user, you are trying to access the content in the Linus user, it won't permit you. Okay, but if you want to enter into your directory, that will allow you. You can see ls.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then cd slash, we'll move to root. Here, if you don't know where is my actually home directory, users home directory, if you don't know that, simply you type cd. That's it. Where will you go? If you type cd to
Home
your
directory.
users home directory, that's it. You can see it. Red Hat. Okay, one more problem in the cd slash root. If you we are under home directory, if you are trying to create some files and all, permission will be denied. mkdir, some d1 and all, permission denied. You are under root directory, you won't be
Yes, sir.
allowed. A normal user won't be allowed to pay. In server, some servers and all, if you are working in a real time, that won't even give the permission to open the root directory also. Opening also won't be allowed. Here, at least in our own system, we are getting opening permission. Okay. Just I
Yes,
wanted
sir.
to move to my home directory. See here. So I will give you all the commands, the mkdir and all, and this changing directory related ones also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just you practice today. This change directory.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so I will give you all this.
Yes, sir. Can I